The philosophy of boring, performance versus reality. Wealth is not a performance, it is a system. We are taught that financial success looks like a spectacle, a constant stream of high-stakes trades and flashy assets. But if you observe the structure of true, generational wealth, you will notice something different. It is quiet, it is deliberate, it is boring. When you seek the thrill of the chase, you are not building wealth. You are participating in a consumerist loop designed to keep your capital moving out of your pockets and into someone else's. Today, we move past the noise. We are not talking about get-rich-quick schemes. We are talking about building a fortress. Welcome to the Veridian philosophy. Wealth is a machine you build in silence. The 7 pillars of silent wealth. The first habit is invisible automation. Those who build lasting capital treat their savings as an unavoidable expense. They automate the process so that the decision to build wealth is made only once. You do not rely on willpower when your system does the work for you. The second habit is market noise filtration. The amateur reacts to every headline. The professional builds a strategy that ignores the daily fluctuations of the market. If your financial direction changes because of a single news cycle, you do not have a strategy, you have a guess. Real wealth thrives in the long-term trend, not the daily panic. The third habit is the margin of safety. The most fragile individuals are the ones who spend everything they earn to look successful. Silent wealth is built on a buffer. It is the ability to hold your ground when the market forces everyone else to sell. It is the quiet confidence of being prepared. The fourth habit is asset-centricity. The wealthy prioritize acquiring things that pay them rather than things that demand their money. Your clothes, your car, your status symbols, these are liabilities. Only an asset deserves your capital. Stop buying the appearance of wealth and start buying the mechanism of it. The fifth habit is temporal wealth. Time is the one commodity you can never replenish. When you stop chasing status, you stop trading your days for depreciating objects. You start buying back your own life. The sixth habit is the mathematics of boring. Compound interest is not designed to be exciting. It is designed to be relentless. It is the steady, quiet accumulation of small gains over decades. It is the art of being patient when everyone else is manic. The seventh habit is the business of self. Treat your personal finances like a corporation. View your income as revenue and your lifestyle as operating expenses. Obsess over your efficiency. The goal is not to spend more. The goal is to optimize the output of every dollar you earn. Infrastructure, building the machine. Most people fail because they believe that wealth requires constant, heroic discipline. They are wrong. Wealth requires good infrastructure. If you have to fight your own urges every single month, you will eventually lose the war. The Veridian approach is to build the machine so that the machine governs your behavior. When your accounts are structured to separate your needs, your security, and your future capital, you remove the emotional weight of money management. Closing the fortress. If you are looking for a spark, this channel is not for you. But if you are looking to build something that stands firm when the market gets loud, then you are in the right place. True security does not come from being noticed. It comes from being prepared. Stop chasing the race and start building the fortress. This is Veridian Capital. Subscribe and master the system.